Are you done? Yeah. Can you stop? Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the Allure beauty box for the month of September. I'm really excited to dive into it. This month has been a little hit or miss for subscription boxes, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, my past 3 videos were subscription boxes. I feel like they are kind of like overtaking my channel, but I'm not mad at it. I actually kind of enjoy doing these videos. They're easy. I love talking about products, and yeah, I love getting surprises every month. I've already unboxed my Boxy Luxe and my Ipsy and Ipsy Plus, so if you want to see those, go check them out. I also did the fall FabFitFun if you're interested in seeing that unboxing. So all of those are on my channel and they will be linked below as well. So Allure Beauty Box in the past has been a little hit and miss for me, but this year I feel like they've really done a great job. I swear I'm a broken record when I talk about that because they really just stepped it up this year. So I think that this is a little bit different because they're doing just the plain white box again. In the past several months they have done like a little kind of vinyl plasticky bag with it, which is kind of cute, but not everybody was loving that, so maybe that is the reason why we have just a regular box. But let's just dive into it. So it says Allure Best of Beauty Award winner. Oh, maybe these are award winners? Interesting. Okay, well, I don't want to look too far into that, so we're gonna dive in. There's a little card about Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer, complimentary deluxe sample of loose setting powder, glow with any tinted moisturizer purchase. That promo code is TMICON. The glow one I like, but it's, I don't know, it's not just like the setting powder with a glowy finish. It's quite different, but anyway, that's neither here nor there. Let's get into it. We've got some brightly colored little tissue paper, and here's our goodies. First, I see the Laura Mercier Deluxe Mini Translucent Loose Setting Powder and Mini Velour Puff. So I actually have a few of these. I actually have a full-size powder in my next giveaway. It is the Ciate Extraordinary Translucent Setting Powder, but if you guys would be game to get 2 powders in that giveaway, let me know. I could do a separate giveaway later on and just put this in there, but I have a lot of loose setting powder, so I don't really want to hold on to any right now. But this one is nice because you do get the little mini puff, which is actually a great size, and the powder itself. I actually really love using a puff. Not everybody does. A lot of people use a sponge or a beauty blender, but I like the puff a lot. So let me know if you want both powders in the giveaway or just one and then another powder in the next giveaway. Let me know what you think. So I believe this powder is maybe $20 for the travel size. Given that this box is only $15, this is definitely a good value, especially if you're like, oh my god, I want to get my hands on this powder. And I know Allure is $15 a month. If you're not subscribed, you can't get your first box for $10. So if you want to try it out, and I've had them before in the past. I've canceled and then I've re-gotten it, and it wasn't like a difficult process. I know some of them can be a pain in the butt to get rid of, but I feel like this was a pretty easy process. So next we have something from La Roche-Posay. This is the Eczema Soothing Relief Cream. Not an exciting item in my opinion because not everybody has eczema. I mean, I'm sure you can use it for other purposes, don't get me wrong. But this was my thing in the past with Allure that made me cancel, was things like this that were kind of like niche products. And also, I have to point out, and somebody in the comments is going to get upset because I am like doing this, but this is this big. The sample actually comes to right here. With my bright lights on, I can see where it starts and where it stops. So it's got this much product. It says this is 0.17 fluid ounces. I don't doubt that that's 0.17 fluid ounces, but it gives the appearance that you get more than you actually do. That's just my only gripe about it. So, you know, do you feel me or am I nitpicky? I don't know. With this La Roche-Posay, the Eczema Soothing Relief Cream, the full size goes for $14.99, and it is a 6.76 ounce. I just have to do the math. I know people are gonna hate this, but I mean, it's just so small. So I'm gonna divide by 7.66, and then, wow. This little size, retail value is 38 cents worth, 38 cents. I mean, I feel like put an ounce in there, like that's just really, really cheap. When the full size is 6.76 ounces and it only costs $15, it's really affordable. I'm sorry, no. I'm not excited about this personally. I'm sure that it's nice, but I have other samples like this from Roche-Posay, and personally I don't think it's worthy of an item in a subscription box. These are really, really small samples, just my opinion. It does have colloidal oatmeal, and that's really soothing for the skin. So, I mean, maybe I'll try it out on my hands or something, but you know, you get a few uses and that's about it. So, not an exciting item for me. Not that there's anything wrong with the product, it's just, you know, it is what it is. This next item looks pretty nice. So this is the Nature Lab Tokyo Perfect Shampoo and Perfect Conditioner. So yeah, you're getting like one item, but it actually is two pretty nice size tubes when it comes to a sample size or travel size shampoo and conditioner. It says this is Inner Hair Calm with Luxe Oil Rich Smoothing Conditioner, and it says find strong hair zen with frizz fighting primer for smooth flawless hair. So I actually really like getting like small sizes of shampoo and conditioner. I always put them aside for when I travel, or you know, maybe I just want to switch up my shampoo and conditioner for a few days. I love my Grande shampoo and conditioner is what I use always, but sometimes I feel like switching it up for just a bit can, I don't know, make a difference. I feel like a lot of us feel like that way, like you have to change your shampoo because it stops working, but I feel like, I don't know, it just kind of gives you like a refresh, and then you remember why you love the first one so much. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to get those. The Nature Lab shampoo and conditioner goes for $14 each, not bad at all, and they're 11.5 ounces. They did give us a full ounce of both the shampoo and the conditioner, so I feel like that's a really decent sample size. And let's see what's next. We have something from Acure. This is the Brightening Facial Scrub with Sea Kelp and French Green Clay. Okay, this seems really interesting. I'm intrigued by that for sure. Alright, so a full size is 4 ounces and it's only $9.99. Wow. I didn't realize that a lot of this was so affordable. Like, I thought these would have had maybe higher price points. But yeah, so they gave us a full fluid ounce of that. Not bad. It's $2.50 worth, but when the full size is 4 ounces and then your deluxe sample is an ounce, I think that's really nice. That's a quarter of the whole size. So really excited to give that a try. All right, we have one last thing. This is the Ciate Dewy Stick. It's a luminous highlighting balm. So, okay, if I'm remembering this one correctly, I remember it being shiny, but not like glowy with like any type of shimmer, not even like the finest little shimmer you can imagine. But I do believe that this is a full size. Yeah, definitely. All right, so this is the full size. That's what it looks like. It's a little stick. It's really cute. I actually love their packaging. I always think it's really cute. But from what I remember, like it comes off just like a balm basically, and you know, calling it a highlighting balm I think is maybe a bit much because it really gives more of like a dewy kind of sheen to the skin. It's clear and glitter free, so it's a lit from within glow. I don't know, it's $26. I think I'm gonna swatch it because I don't really want to put this in a giveaway if I don't even know if I like it, you know. I'd rather give you guys stuff that I actually like. So I don't know if you'll be able to see the difference. Oh yeah, you can kind of see it. So this is just my regular hand, kind of dry from washing so many times. And then this is the little dewy part of it. So it looks pretty, but I can't imagine using this on top of makeup or even like on a day where I wear makeup because it feels kind of greasy, if that makes sense. But maybe on like a no makeup day, just to kind of like freshly give like a dewy finish to the skin, that could be nice. Or I've even thought about wearing this under maybe a really dry foundation. It's kind of like an oil balm prep. So I don't know, I have to play with it because I am intrigued. At first glance, I don't think it's something that I would personally like, but I could be surprised. I could be totally wrong about that. So I am willing to give it a try. So I will definitely hold on to this and give it a shot. And this goes for $26 retail. So a really good deal when you consider the cost of the box. So just to recap, we did get, of course, the Dewy Stick. We got the Acure Brightening Facial Scrub, a little tiny La Roche-Posay cream, Laura Mercier powder. I definitely think that that's a good thing to get in the box, and I'm sure a lot of people will be really excited to try that. And then, of course, we got the Nature Lab shampoo and conditioner. I'm probably most excited about this, and that's, I don't know, it's not the most fun part of the box, but it's the most exciting part to me. Not to be a negative Nancy, but I'm not really excited for this box. There's nothing in here that really grabs me and it's like, oh, that makes it all worth it. You know, the Ciate being a full size is really cool. They have been doing that, like one full size product, which I think is, you know, pretty generous considering the price of the box. But it's just not exciting to me. I've seen that product before, so maybe if it were brand new to me, I might be more intrigued. But because I've seen it and I've felt it before, I'm just, you know, I'm not that excited. But next month will probably be better because they have been doing a really good job. You can check out my other Allure beauty unboxings, and typically I'm pretty stoked with them. Like, I even liked the silly little bags that people didn't like that much. I thought they were cute, and you know, I've been really happy since December, so I can't complain. 1 month where I'm not super thrilled with it is no big deal. That's gonna happen. Definitely the risk you take. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this unboxing. Let me know what you think below, if you had kind of similar thoughts about, you know, the sizes and types of products that were in this box, or if you feel like this was a great box. And yeah, also let me know if you want Laura Mercier and the Ciate giveaway, and that will be coming up really soon. So make sure to subscribe and go ahead and hit that notification bell. That way you know when that giveaway is live. And I just appreciate you guys watching. Of course, if you enjoyed, give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye!